Before buying a marinara sauce, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Mazzetta Marinara Sauce Homemade Napa Valley Sauce. This jar caught my attention with its promise of a traditional taste, and it's currently a favorite with over 2,000 units sold just this month. If you want a homemade flavor without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This sauce features hand-picked ingredients like sweet plum tomatoes, fresh onions, garlic, and basil. It's slow-cooked to bring those flavors together beautifully, giving you that home-cooked taste that can elevate any pasta dish. Plus, it's gluten-free, so it's suitable for many dietary needs. With no artificial additives, you can feel good about serving it to your family. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than store brands. Here's the thing though, this isn't just any jarred sauce. It's crafted with care and quality ingredients. If you're looking for that fresh, homemade taste, the price is totally justified. This is perfect for you if you want convenience without sacrificing flavor. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but remember, you're paying for quality here.
Product number 2, the Homemade Pasta Sauces Cookbook. Next up is the Homemade Pasta Sauces and Toppings Cookbook by C.S. Christophs. This Kindle edition is a fantastic option if you want to explore making your own marinara from scratch. If you want to unleash your inner chef, this is totally worth a look. The beauty of this cookbook is that it walks you through easy homemade recipes for marinara, pesto, Alfredo, and more. You'll find that making your own sauce not only allows for customization, but also means you know exactly what's going into your food. The book simplifies the process, making it accessible for anyone, even if you're a complete novice. Plus, you get to impress your friends and family with your newfound skills. Now, I'll be real with you. Some might find it overwhelming to tackle sauce making by hand. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, you'll never look back. It's a fun project that can be very rewarding. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want to experiment with flavors. Skip this one if you prefer ready-made options and don't want the time commitment involved. Product number 3, Marinara Sauce Recipe and More by Mr. Lummi Karis Guerreta. Priced at $8.99, this cookbook is all about making the simplest, most delicious marinara sauce you can imagine. If you want simplicity without sacrificing taste, definitely check this out. What I love about this recipe book is that it focuses on just 10 basic ingredients. It's straightforward, which means you can whip up a delicious sauce even on a busy weeknight. Plus, the recipes are designed to be easy and quick, which is perfect for anyone who wants a homemade touch without a lot of fuss. The author emphasizes flavor, so you'll definitely impress your dinner guests. However, some folks mentioned that they were looking for more advanced recipes or variations. Now, I get that. If you're a seasoned cook, you might crave more complexity. But honestly, sometimes simpler is better. And this book does a great job of perfecting the basics. This is perfect for you if you're a busy person who loves good food, but doesn't have time for long recipes. Skip this one if you're looking for gourmet recipes that require more culinary skills. Product number 4, the Home Cook's Essential Sauce and Dressing Cookbook by Rachel Rave. This one's designed for anyone looking to enhance their cooking repertoire. If you want to make your meals pop with flavor, this is worth considering. This cookbook covers a variety of sauces, including marinara, and focuses on homemade goodness. It's all about making your dishes taste better without relying on store-bought sauces packed with preservatives. The step-by-step instructions make it feel like you have a personal chef guiding you. The recipes are designed to be family-friendly, so everyone can enjoy your cooking. That said, some readers felt that not all recipes were easy to follow, especially if you're new to cooking. Here's the thing though, cooking can be a learning curve, and this book offers a chance to grow your skills while making delicious food. This is perfect for you if you want to become more confident in the kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for quick, no-fuss recipes without much effort. Product number 5, Delicious Pasta Sauces Cookbook by Lisa Day. This one's packed with flavor and variety. If you're looking for a comprehensive guide to pasta sauces, this is a great pick.
The best part about this cookbook is that it features easy, step-by-step recipes that cater to all skill levels. It covers everything from classic marinara to creamy Alfredo, so you'll have options for every type of pasta dish. The recipes are designed to be quick, helping transform basic ingredients into amazing meals everyone will enjoy, from kids to adults. Some people mentioned that they wanted more guidance on cooking times for each sauce, but honestly, once you get into the groove, you'll develop your own timing that works best for you and your family. It's all about making it your own. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with flavors and want to impress at dinner. Skip this one if you're looking for a single focus, like just marinara, as it covers a broader range.
So there you have it. 5 standout options for homemade marinara sauce. Whether you want a ready-made jar, a simple recipe, or a comprehensive cookbook, there's something here for everyone. Each option brings its own flavor to the table, so choose what fits your cooking style best. Happy cooking!